Bianca. Go.
Hello. We just wanted to tell you, Miss Rhonda, you would love this one. And all of you, you wouldn't want to miss this video because we're going to have a lot of fun. Mama!
Yes.
There she is, our famous dancer.
Oh, is Bowden Uh-oh. Well, we were going to talk about Dancing with the Stars. We were sad that Ty didn't do as hot as he had done previously. Right, B? But we're okay. But Sean Johnson did a good job. Who else did a good job?
Tambourine.
Well, yeah, he did okay. He was a little robotic. And Cheryl did amazing, didn't she? Yeah. Who do we think is going to get voted off? I think David Allen Greer. What do you think? Well, since my arm's not very long, you can obviously tell Bowden's mobile now. And we will have to go. So we'll talk to you maybe tomorrow when we can tell you who got voted off. Bye.